Additional reference of business, verified complaints for impeachment, verified complaint for impeachment against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., filed on January 19, 2026 by Attorney Andre R. De Jesus and endorsed by Honorable Journey Jet V. Nisay of Pusong Pinoy Party List.
To the Committee on Justice.
Verified complaint for impeachment against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., filed on January 26, 2026 by Liza Largoza Maza, Teodoro A. Casino, Renato Reyes Jr., Attorney Nery Colmenares, Eufemia Pet Camimi Doringo, Modesto K. Modi, Torque Toque Floranda, Ronel Arambulo, Ronaldo K. Jerome Adonis, Joaquin H. Buenaflor, Ming Archie Salvame Gomez, Jem Mia Antonio, Lucky E. Oralier, Clarice Joy A. Palse, Gerard Francis A. Palma, Ruby Ana Bernardo, Vladimir A. Cuetia, Maria Francesca E. Reyes, Emerenciana de Jesus, Jacqueline D. Ruiz, Ray Christopher Reyna V. Salinas, Manuel R. Baclagon, Emmanuel Acosta, Santiago Y. Dasmariñas Jr., Elizabeth Tabios Camoral, Nathalie Julia Q. Heralde, Aldrin Cabajes Parto, Kian Joseph Canaman Peralta, John Andre Malaca Alcala, Ronnie Manalo, Zenaida Zoriano, Arvin Escarial, Antonio C. Palmero, Tiffany Faith Brillante, Jacob Vergara Baluyot, Criselda Fiel, Kathleen Gea de Guzman, and endorsed by Honorable Antonio L. Tino of ACT Teachers Party List, Honorable Sara I. Elago of Gabriela Women's Party List, and Honorable Rene Luis M. Co. of Kabataan Party List.
To the Committee on Justice. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to resume the privilege hour.
There is a motion to resume privilege hour. There is an objection. There is none. Motion is carried. Majority Leader.